Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to prepare a refreshing cold cucumber soup. This soup is perfect for summer because it's light, healthy and incredibly refreshing. For our cold cucumber soup, we'll need 2 cucumbers, an organic lemon, avocado, chives, fresh dill and yogurt. I also have some extra cucumber to garnish. Additionally, we'll use salt and pepper for seasoning and some sesame oil for garnish. First, I'm going to wash the vegetables and herbs thoroughly in lukewarm water. Then I'll cut the cucumbers into smaller pieces to make it easier for the blender. If you like, you can peel the cucumbers before chopping them. After that, I'll place the cucumbers directly into a large bowl since I'll be using an immersion blender to puree the soup. However, if you're making the soup with a regular blender, you can add the ingredients directly into the blender. Now I'm going to chop the herbs. I'll remove the tough parts of the stems and roughly chop the herbs. The herbs will also go into the bowl along with the zest of an organic lemon. When zesting, it's important to turn the lemon as you go to only get the yellow part of the peel, as the white part can be a bit bitter. Then cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice from one half. Now I'll prepare the avocado. I'm only using half of the avocado today because I'll be adding yogurt, which also adds some creaminess. Next, I'll add the lemon juice, half of the avocado and the yogurt to my bowl and season everything with salt and pepper to taste. Now it's time to puree the mixture. As I mentioned, I'm using an immersion blender, but you can also use a regular blender. Puree everything until smooth and creamy. The soup has turned out beautifully creamy and I love this bright green color. Now before serving, chill the soup for 30 minutes. I'll use the waiting time to dice the cucumber. As I mentioned, this is optional. You can use the cucumber as a garnish or skip it. Then I will also chop the chives finely for garnish. After 30 minutes, pour the cold soup into a serving bowl and garnish it with chives, some dill, cucumber cubes and a drizzle of sesame oil. I also finished it off with a little black pepper. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and that you'll try it out during the hot summer days. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye until next time.